So we got this situation. The term independent of x in the expansion of this. Okay. So term independent of x means what? We want coefficient of x power 0. Okay. Now if you'll observe the question, it looks ugly. Correct? So what we should do, we should focus on simplification part first. Okay. So what I am observing, look at this part. Can you write this thing as square of something? I feel that it is x power 1 by 2. No, it is 1 by 3. 1 by 3 power 2. Okay. Minus x power 1 by 3 plus 1. Okay. So what I want you to imagine, just look at this. Can I write this thing as something square plus something square minus something into something? Okay. Now, have you ever seen this kind of situation? You have seen this situation in a minus b whole square, but over there it was a square plus b square minus 2ab, but here we don't have 2, so this is something different. Correct? Now try to recall something else. Try to recall a cube plus b cube. So over there we used to write what? X a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab, yes or no? Correct? So don't you think it is forming the same situation? A square plus b square minus ab minus 1 into third root of x. Correct or wrong? Correct? So can I write numerator as x power 1 by 3 power 3 plus 1 power 3? Correct? So done with the numerator. Okay, I feel that you guys are comfortable with the first element. Now observe your second element. So in second element, just observe the denominator first. So if you'll observe the denominator, we can take x power 1 by 2 common. So can we write x power 1 by 2 minus 1? Okay, same way you can manipulate the numerator. Can I write the numerator as x power 1 by 2 power 2, okay, minus 1 ka square? Just tell me, can we do so? I hope you guys are getting the manipulation. Okay, so now look at this. Let's apply the formula. So it is a cube plus b cube. So can I write a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab? Okay, we have x power 2 by 3 minus x power 1 by 3 plus 1 minus x power 1 by 2 plus 1 x power 1 by 2 minus 1. We have power as 10, sorry. X power 1 by 2 into x power 1 by 2 minus 1. Now you can neutralize things. So this thing will neutralize this person, this thing will neutralize this person. So we are left with, from first element we are left with x power 1 by 3 plus 1, and from second element you have this thing. Okay, so be little bit of careful. So minus 1 by x power 1 by 2. Okay, so after simplification you can observe that this looks little bit better. Okay, so can we go with this thing, x power 1 by 3 minus 1 by x power 1 by 2 power 10. Okay, now look at this, we have to find out the coefficient of x power 0. Now you know that in both the entity x is being involved, so it is not easy to calculate that thing. So what I'll assume that the term in which the lower subscript of c is r will become x power 0. Okay, so look at this part. So x power 1 by 3 into minus of 1 by x power 1 by 2 power r, and then it will become 10 minus r. Okay, now let's segregate the constants. 10 c r minus 1 power r into x power 10 minus r by 3, and then into x power minus r by 2. I hope you guys are okay, because this thing will become 1 by x power r by 2. Now I am sending them on numerator, so minus sign. Okay, let's do little bit of more simplification. 10 cr minus 1 power r, and x will take things as 10 minus r by 3 minus r by 2. Correct? Now what do we need? We want independent of x, means we want x to take power 0. This is only possible if 10 minus r by 3 minus r by 2 will contribute to 0. Correct? Let's do the simplification. So it is 20 minus 2r minus 3r equals to 0. So can I write 5r equals to 20? So r will become 4. Okay, so if r is 4, then we will get constant term. So can I say that required coefficient is 10c4. Okay, now minus 1 power 4 will become positive 1, and you know that this person will not contribute in the coefficient, so the required answer is 10c4. I hope you got the manipulation and you can handle similar situations. Okay.